I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So again, in this video, ito na yung continuation ng ating negative binomial random variable. So again, in previous video, pinag-usapan natin yung expected value ng isang negative binomial random variable na kung saan nag-setup na tayo ng kth moment. So meaning, meron tayong kth moment given yan. Okay, so again, ano yung parameter ng y minus 1? Proceed muna tayo. No? So nakalimutan kong bagitin. Ang parameter ng ating x is r and p. Ang parameter ng ating y minus 1 is r plus 1 and p. Again, ang parameter na itong y na to, ang parameter ni y is si r plus 1, p. Ang parameter ni x is r, p. Okay, so yun yung pinagkaiba na lang kasi nanggaling siya dyan. Okay, so setup. Sir, paano mo nalaman na r plus 1? Kasi r plus 1 yun doon. Dito r. Okay, so kaya ako nakikita nalalaman yung parameter. So now, importante yan kasi yung parameter na yan kasi hahanapin natin yung variance ng isang negative binomial random variable. So obviously, kailangan natin ng second moment. So for second moment, so if we let k is equal to 2, then we have second moment of x is just equal sa r over p, then expected value ng y minus 1 raised sa 2 minus 1 times. Okay, then this is just r over p multiplied by expected value ng y minus 1. Okay, then apply lang natin yung ating yung rule. So this is just r over p multiplied by expected value of y. Okay, then minus 1. So note na expected value na isang negative binomial random variable is r over p. Okay, so ang ating where yung y natin, ang kanyang parameter, so again parameter r over p. So in general kasi yung r over p na yan. So whereas yung, therefore, ano expected value nito? Ang expected value nito is just r plus 1 over p. Okay, again, kasi r over p. So again, ito ay magiging r plus 1 over p. So this is just equal sa r over p multiplied by r plus 1 over p minus 1. Okay, so I guess hindi ko na yun compute dyan, no? So may second moment na tayo. So I guess compute na natin yung ating variance of x. So note that the variance of x is equal sa first moment o second moment minus square ng first moment. Okay, and this is just equal sa, ito yung r over p. R over p times r plus 1 over p minus 1 minus r over p. So this is r squared over p squared. Okay, so check natin, no? Simplify natin further dito. So nasa loob, so this is just r over p multiplied by r plus 1 minus p all over p. Okay, then minus r squared over p squared. Okay, then simplify natin yan. Multiply natin r and p sa numerator and denominator. So this is just equal sa r squared plus r minus rp. Okay, all over p squared minus r squared over p squared. Since sila ay similar fraction, therefore this is just r squared plus r minus rp minus r squared all over p squared. So obviously, ang natira na lang is r minus rp. Okay, so this is just equal sa variance of x or na variance ng isang negative random variable is just equal sa labas ko yung r times 1 minus p all over p squared. So ito yung kanyang variance. Okay, so tandaan yan. So whereas the SD of x or the standard deviation is just the square root ng r times 1 minus p all over p na lang. Kasi square root ng p squared is p. Okay, so napaka-useful na ito. So again, tandaan yung formula. R over p, then r times 1 minus p over p squared. Okay, so tuloy ko lang. So, nagpaalam nila. Tuloy ko lang. So now, sabi ko nga sa inyo, gagamitin natin dito para makuha natin yung isang formula. So, para masolve natin. So, note, tandaan mo kung ano yung ating formula, no? So, ang formula ng expected value is R over P. Ang formula ng variance is r times 1 minus p over p squared. Okay, then syempre ano importante, hanapin natin yung parameter. Ang parameter is yung r, where is the r is the success, kung ilang success yung nangyari, tapos yung ating probability p. Okay, so for number 1 example, find the expected value and the variance of the number of times one must throw a die until the outcome 1 has occurred. So una natin siyempre dapat alamin dito, ano yung probability. So, ano ba yung outcome na hinahanap? Outcome 1 is outcome 1. So, meaning yung 1. So, ano yung probability na lumabas na pag-throw ka ng isang die, lumabas yung 1? Diba 1 over 6? So, obviously, ang P natin dito is 1 over 6. Okay, next is, ano yung, ilang beses natin siya nire-required na maging success? Sabi, find the expected value, 1 must throw a die until the outcome 1 has occurred 4 times. So, meaning 4 successes mangyari. Okay, so wala tayong pakalam kung ilang beses natin tinos, basta, ang success natin dito is just 4. Okay, so note na ang hinahanap natin is expected value. So, therefore, ang expected value niya is just, alam natin na siya ay R over P, or simply, this is 4 over 1 over 6, or simply the expected value na lumabas yan is just 24. Okay, so napaka dali niya. So next is the variance. So for variance of x, this is just r times 1 minus p all over p square. So this is r is 4 times 1 minus 1 over 6 all over 1 over 6 square. Okay, so note this is just equal sa 4 times 5 over 6. Okay, then all over 1 over 36. Okay, then cross multiply natin. So this is just 20 over 6. Then this is 36 over 1. So cancel yun, no? So this is just 6 times 120. No, 6 times 20. Tama. Kasi 36 divided by 6 is 6. So meaning the variance is just 120. So therefore, the variance of x is just equal sa 120. Okay? So ganun siya kasimple. So now, for number 2, sabi niya, no, in example number 1, find A, probability of x is greater than r plus 1, and find for B, probability of x less than or equal to r plus 2. So where r is 4. So meaning, ang hinahanap natin for letter A, so sulat ko lang ulit P is 1 over 6, R is 4. Okay, so for letter A, ang hinahanap natin is yung probability ng x is greater than 5. Kasi 4 plus 1 is 5. So meaning, since hindi natin kayang, so hindi naman siya geometric random variable na may kakaroon ng summation something. Okay, so magkakagamit ng infinite series, gamitin natin yung rule na magiging 1 minus something siya. Okay, so this is just equal sa 1 minus the probability ng x less than or equal to 4. So greater than 5. Okay, 6 kasi lahat to, so this is 5. Okay, so yun yung gagamitin. So yun, medyo mahaba siya yung gagawin natin. So good luck na lang kasi. So again, ano yung formula ng ating probability mass function? So computin lang natin, no? So this is just 1 minus probability ng x is equal to 1 kasi doon magi-start. Sorry, kung saan nag-start yung r, no? So napansin nyo kung saan nag-start yung r. Okay, so hanggang saan lang dapat? Hanggang 4 lang. Kasi 4 lang naman yung r natin. So saan ba nag-start yung r natin? 4. So meaning, mag-start tayo sa 1 minus p is equal to 4, tapos 1 minus p x is equal to 5. Okay, so yun, at least madali pala siya. So this is p is equal to 4 minus probability ng x is equal to 5. So yun. Tandaan mo kasi r kasi yung start, hindi 1. So hindi natin goal umabot siya sa 1. Okay, so baka mapahaba kayo dyan. So note na i-substitute natin formula. This is just 1 minus. Okay, so yun, n. Hindi natin, ayun pa another thing. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung n. Okay, kung ilang n niya ginawa. No? So, kung napansin mo, hindi natin alam kung ilang n niya ginawa to. Kasi for n is equal to r, okay. For n is equal to 4, yung n pala is yung 4, yung n din dito yung 5. Okay, kasi nag-start sila sa, yung r is yung ating ano, okay. Sorry. Nasasagi ko na dahil sa hindi naman totally nalilito. So this is n minus 1, so this is 4 minus 1, tapos r minus 1, so this is 4 minus 1 din sa ilalim. Okay, then multiplied by p, which is p, so this is 1 over 6 raised sa 4, kasi yun yung r. Tapos 1 minus 1 over 6 is 5 over 6 raised sa n minus r. So n minus r, so this is n natin is 4, so this is 4 minus 4. Then taken, minus, so this is 5, so this is 5 minus 1 taken 4 minus 1. Okay, then this is 1 over 6 raised sa 4 pa rin kasi yung r natin. This is just 5 over 6, then this is 5 minus 1. Okay, so yun, medyo napadali. So note that 3 taken 3. Paano yung 3 taken 3? 3 taken 3 is 1. So kasi 4 minus 1 taken 4 minus 1 is 3 taken 3, that is 1. So this is just equals sa 1 minus 1 multiplied by 1 over 6 raised sa 4. So multiply lang natin yan, no? So 1 over 6 raised sa 4, that is 1 over 296. So this is 1 over 296. Then 5 over 6 raised sa 0, that is 1. So simply 1. Okay, minus 4 taken 3. Tama. So 4 taken 3, that is 4. So 4 taken 3 is 4 multiplied by, so multiplied to, no, parehas known as 1 over 296 multiplied by 5 over 6. Okay, so ready na natin na i-compute. So I guess this is 1 minus 1 over 126, 1296, then minus 4 times 5 is 20, so this is 20 over 1296 multiplied by 6 kasi may multiply na 6 doon. Okay, so that is simply 3875 over 388. Okay, that is 3875 over 388. So napaka-late ng probability. Or simply 0.999, almost 1 pala. So this is, ilan yun? 3875 over 3888. So ito yung probability na x is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so tandaan yan. So naano na tuloy kayo sa susunod. So next is the probability. So for letter B, the probability of x is less than or equal sa 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay, so obviously ito naman ay P is equal to 4, P is equal to 5, P is equal to 6. Kumbaga madadagdagan lang. So kasi hanggang 4 lang naman talaga start. So this is just the probability of x is equal to 4 plus the probability of x is equal to 5 plus the probability of x is equal to 6. So nasolve na natin yung probability ng x is equal to 4. Ito yon, 1 over 1296. Yung probability ng x is equal to 5 is 20 over 1296 times 6. Tama. So, isolve na lang natin itong isa. Okay, kasi alam naman na natin yung dalawa. So, pwede nyo rin naman gawin yung ginagawa ko na to. Kumbaga para mas mapaikli. So, this is just 1 over 1296 plus, so multiply ko lang yung isa ilalim, ha. So, 6 times 1296, 776. So, this is just 20 over 7776. Then plus, ito na yung 6 taken 6 minus 1 taken 4 minus 1. Okay, then this is 1 over 6 raised sa 4 pa rin. Then this is 5 over 6 raised sa 6 minus 4. Okay, so obviously this is just 1 over 1296 plus 20 over 7776. Okay, then plus, compute lang natin yan, no? So 5 taken 3, that is 10. So this is just 10. So this is just 10 times 1 over 1296 times 25. over 36 kasi square yun. Okay, so complete na natin yan. Ano yung magiging result? So medyo nagbago. Okay, so magalaw kasi yung aking video. Baka nakabaliktad to pag pinuduce. So this is 1 over 1296 then plus 20 over 776 plus 250 over 1296 times 36. Okay, so yun yung plus kasi nun. So this is 203 over 23328. So therefore the answer is just 203 over 23328. So ito yung ating probability for x is less than or equal to 6. So that's all in this video. So hoping na nagets mo yung idea. So again, more likely kasi talaga dito is yung given yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so again, hanapin mo yung R, hanapin mo yung P, then we need to solve for the following. So again, thank you for watching. Hoping na may natutunan ka sa video na to.